What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2025 Toyota Camry. So you'll need to be in the vehicle with the vehicle either running or the ignition in the on position. Then I'm going to be using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. The first thing I'm going to do is scroll up or down and keep scrolling up or down until we get to the settings menu, the one that looks like a little gear. Once we have the settings menu up, I'm going to scroll left or right and keep scrolling left or right until we get over to the vehicle settings right here. Once we have vehicle settings highlighted, we're going to press and hold down the OK button. Press and hold that button down for a few seconds until it takes us to the vehicle settings page. Once we're on this page, I'm going to scroll down until we get down to oil maintenance, and then I'm going to press the OK button. And then it's going to show the miles that are left on the oil maintenance. You can see this one's not in need of a reset yet, but we're still going to go through it. So then it's asking reset data. We need to scroll up till yes is highlighted, and then press this OK button. And then as you can see there, the reset is complete. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.